If you write anything online, from emails and essays to captions, blogs, and business messages, Grammarly can help you catch mistakes before you hit send. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Grammarly Error Checker works, what it can catch, and how you can use it to make your writing cleaner, clearer, and more professional. We'll also look at the different checks Grammarly gives you, including grammar, clarity, tone, and the paid-only plagiarism and AI checks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, Grammarly is designed to review your writing and highlight issues that might be easy to miss on your own. That includes grammar mistakes, spelling errors, punctuation problems, and sentence structure issues. So if you've ever typed a message quickly and worried that something looks off, Grammarly can act like a second set of eyes. The first thing Grammarly checks is grammar and typos. This is where it catches missed punctuation, incorrect subject-verb agreement, and spelling slip-ups. For example, if you write a sentence with a missing comma, the wrong version of a verb, or a word that's spelled incorrectly, Grammarly will flag it and suggest a fix. This is especially useful when you're writing fast because tiny mistakes can make your message look less polished than you intended. Next is sentence clarity. Grammarly looks for sentences that are hard to read, too wordy, or run-on sentences that might confuse your reader. Instead of just pointing out the problem, it often suggests a cleaner rewrite. That means you can take a long, awkward sentence and turn it into something shorter, smoother, and easier to understand. This is one of the biggest benefits of using the tool because clear writing is usually stronger writing. Another important feature is tone detection. Grammarly analyzes how your message will sound to a reader. It can help you understand whether your writing feels formal, friendly, confident, direct, or maybe even a little uncertain. This is extremely helpful for emails, business messages, customer replies, and professional content because sometimes the words you choose can sound different than you expected. Tone detection helps you adjust your writing so it matches the situation and the audience. Now let's talk about the plagiarism and AI checks. These features are only available in paid plans, but they can be valuable if you need extra verification. Grammarly can scan your text against billions of web pages to look for original phrasing and flag it content that may appear too similar to existing sources. It can also check for AI-generated content, which is useful for people who want another layer of review on their writing. Just keep in mind that these tools are part of the premium experience, so they are not included in the free version. So how do you use Grammarly in practice? You simply paste or type your text into the editor, and Grammarly starts reviewing it right away. As it scans your writing, you will see suggestions appear for grammar, clarity, and tone. You can click each suggestion to review it, compare the original with the suggested change, and decide whether to accept it or keep your version. That control is important because Grammarly gives recommendations, but you still choose what fits your style best. A good workflow is to start by fixing the obvious issues first, like spelling and grammar. Then move to clarity suggestions, especially if you want your writing to sound more natural and easier to read. After that, check the tone so you can make sure your message sounds the way you want it to sound. If you're on a paid plan and need it, you can also run the plagiarism and AI checks as a final review step. One quick tip is to use Grammarly as a helper, not a replacement for your own judgment. The tool is excellent at finding mistakes and offering better phrasing, but your voice and intent still matter. Always read through the suggestions before accepting them, especially if you're writing something personal, brand-specific, or technical. And that's the basic idea of the Grammarly Error Checker. It helps you catch grammar and typo mistakes, improve sentence clarity, understand your tone, and, on paid plans, review plagiarism and AI content as well. Whether you're a student, creator, professional, or just someone who wants cleaner writing, Grammarly can save time and help you write with more confidence. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.